In this video we will look at standard tutorials for students. A student requires a standard tutorial if they've been in the school for between 4 and 5 weeks, and then for every 4 to 5 weeks after that. Check your class list to see when the student had their last tutorial and if they need to do a standard tutorial. This generally applies to longer term students. If the student requires a standard tutorial, the student logs in and presses School. Scroll down, click View Tutorials, click Actions, Create New. The system defaults to standard tutorial, so click Teacher Unlock, scroll down, find your name, click Teacher Unlock, enter your password, press Submit. Okay, now you've unlocked the tutorial. Choose the level and here you have the CEFR can-do statements for this level. The student should then go through each of the different headings: writing, reading, speaking, listening, functions, vocabulary and grammar. They choose for each of these if they need more practice or are confident in this. They also complete the self-assessment section. When they have finished, the teacher will go through each of these with the student and finally write teacher recommendations that will be similar to what's from the initial tutorial. Drag the progress bar across depending on how far you think the student has progressed in the level, and finally press Submit.